What are the steps to overcome personality disorders? Talk to someone. It is usually important to share your feelings and emotions with others. Take good care of your physical health. A healthy body can help to maintain a healthy mind. Build confidence in order to handle difficult situations. Engage in some hobbies, such as dance, music, painting, etc. These have a healing effect. Stay positive by choosing words like challenges instead of problems. What is self awareness? What are the steps involved in self awareness? Awareness is about understanding one's own needs, desires, habits, traits, behaviors, and feelings. When we are not of ourselves, then we tread in a direction about which we are not clear. Therefore, it is important that we be aware of ourselves. When one becomes self-aware, the person starts to become aware of everything and looks at situations or things objectively. Steps towards self-awareness. The first step to practicing self-awareness is gaining a greater awareness of one's emotions. The second step to practicing self-awareness is making a habit of tracking one's feelings. The third step to practicing self-awareness is expanding one's practice to areas of life beyond the person's feelings. What is SMART? Explain the different steps involved in it. SMART stands for specific, measurable, action-oriented, realistic, and time-bound. S. Specific. Goals should be stated in specific terms. Vague goals are difficult to attain. Specific goals give us a concrete target. Hence, a goal should have a specific purpose. M. Measurable. Goals should always be measurable. If we do not set our goals in measurable terms, it is difficult to assess whether we have achieved them or not. A. Action-oriented. Goals do not just come true on their own. Effective goal setting should include action-based steps that one will follow to achieve the goal. R. Realistic. There are few things more damaging to our sense of self-efficacy than setting ourselves up for failure. Goals must always be realistically attainable. T. Time-bound. Goals must have deadlines. However, deadlines may change according to the situation. But one must always set a deadline to get the job done within a specified time limit. What are the steps that we can take to become a result-oriented person? Ways to become result-oriented. Set clear goals. In order to achieve a goal, one must first set clear and accurate objectives. Prepare an action plan. The action plan describes how a person or organization will accomplish its objectives. It explains how the target will be achieved, what changes will occur after the actions, who will carry out the changes, when will the changes take place, how long will the changes be effective, what resources are needed to carry out the changes, who should know and what should be communicated. Use the right resources and tools. One must evaluate the resources and tools needed to achieve those results and whether they are available. Communicate with mentors and peers. One must talk to teachers, seniors, and mentors for help in setting realistic goals. Make a calendar. One must make a calendar to monitor the progress at regular intervals. Work hard. One must work hard and believe in one's dreams. Name any two sources of motivation. Books and music. What is the purpose of self-motivation? Self-motivation is important because it increases an individual's energy and activity. It guides a person to a specific goal. It leads to the initiation and persistence of certain activities. It affects cognitive processes and learning strategies used to perform similar tasks. What are the two types of motivation? Explain using examples. Intrinsic motivation. An individual expresses a desire to do his or her job without any external reward. For example, If someone loves music and is passionate about learning it, then due to intrinsic motivation, the person is willing to attend music classes that gives him or her immense pleasure. Extrinsic motivation. It occurs when we feel pressurized by outside forces to perform an activity either to receive a reward or to avoid punishment. For example, an intrinsically motivated student will self-study, complete homework, while an extrinsically motivated student will complete lessons to avoid punishment or to receive rewards. Explain any two personality disorders. Obsessive compulsive personality disorder. People with this illness are obsessive about following rules and regulations. They are distinguished by an overbearing desire for orderliness, perfectionism, and attention to detail. Paranoid personality disorder. It is characterized by suspicion towards others, especially friends, family members, and lovers. People with this disease frequently harbor grudges against others. With reference to five-factor model, mention any four parameters that describe an individual's personality. Openness, consciousness, extroversion, agreeableness. What are the different factors that shape personality? Personality is shaped through family, culture, society, education, and other environmental factors.